I started in this industry without knowing anything, kind of taught myself everything I needed to know. It's a decent it's a decent job. It can definitely be a career for some people. For an immigrant coming here with no friends or family that's here that can help you, it's a good job. You can start this job and make a decent amount of money if you're working hard. The UK is different than Romania, meaning that here people really appreciate if you work hard, if you're honest, if you do your job. They try to promote you, and so if you're that kind of person, this is a great place to come to. With a prolonged lockdown, I think more and more people lost their jobs, and that's when you really saw a surge in attacks on drivers.
You don't know what the customer got into. Can I have maybe knife? Can I have drug? Can I have anything? Sometimes I'm got customer booking from Mihai, and it's coming another person. All the people was close to me, was call me and was tell me, look, I think you must change the job. It's not really safe.
Stop. If you do that again, you get off. Okay? We've got a camera here. I don't want trouble.
I can tell you how to.
No, I don't want trouble.
Then drop me off.
Okay.
Is that good? I'm a nice person.
I'm not saying you're not a nice person.
I have feelings for you.
No, you don't.
Drop me off right now. In the rest place.
Sure, I'll stop right there.
But again, these things can easily turn on the driver. That can all turn on you because it's on your the onus will be all on you. If you touch the driver or if you start hurling abuse at a passenger, then that can all change to you and you could be at fault. If I get reported for any reason, I could be out of a job. That's how simple it is. One complaint can lead you to being jobless. So again, the job security in the minicab industry is insecure because you can get hurt or you can lose your job in a heartbeat just from one customer complaint.
Boss! What are you doing?
Are you going to ask that?
I said straight. What the fuck, bro? You're not listening. Huh?
Why are you shouting?
Because you're not fucking listening, bro.
Why are you shouting at me?
What the fuck are you gonna do about what you
No,
shouting at
I'm
me,
not
bro?
going to do anything.
What the fuck? Exactly, shut the fuck up. I said
No.
boss. Then I said boss louder. Then I
No,
shouted
I
boss.
didn't
And
listen
then you
to
replied to
you.
me, you fucking prick.
No, I didn't listen
Stop
to
your
you.
fucking shit. Stop your fucking shit. Cancel my trip. End it.
It's
End my
ending
trip.
now. It's ending now, okay?
End it. Pussy.
You don't need to shout.
Suck him up.
You don't need to shout. Why are you shouting?
I always, when I had this kind of situation, I never kind of escalated. I always kept within me, because we know that Uber has a rating system. If I would have gone against everybody who upset me, I would have lost my job way before I really lost it, So, thanks God, I can say I'm blessed. I never really got into a fight, like a physical fight. All these apps, they protect too much the customer, and always the driver is left out. And probably the same is doing Transport for London.
Everything culminated with what happened to Gabriel in February, and that really shook the drivers' community. Gabriel was stabbed and killed during the day. That just shows that it doesn't really matter the time of day. You don't really know what to do and how to protect yourself. You can't have a pepper spray. You can't have anything. No one wants to die on the job. I think every driver thought about his or her family. There's no excuse for the lack of security. I was quite surprised that honestly none of the 4 platforms that operate in London have taken this as a sign that they need to change something.
We cannot have another driver dying behind the wheel, and we cannot sit by and watch this happen.
I'm Robert. Unfortunately, a friend, a colleague, a brother, Gabriel lost his life. 344 minutes without Bolt doing anything. Shame on Bolt! 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 Shame on Bolt!
It just seems like the fact that they're not coming up with any solutions tells me, and I think other drivers as well, that they don't really care. They want to hush it. They don't want it in the press. This is going to happen again. This will happen again.